In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time sectors in Trello. If you're looking to organize your tasks in a more efficient way, utilizing time sectors can make a substantial difference in managing your workload. Let's dive in and see how we can accomplish this in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to Trello.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the board where you plan to implement these time sectors. This is your workspace, and it's essential that you're logged into the correct board to start organizing your tasks. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to create lists for your time periods. Click on the Add a List button, which is typically on the right side of your board. This will allow you to create new lists that will represent your different time sectors. Consider naming these lists according to how you wish to split up your time. For instance, you might decide on separations like morning, afternoon, and evening to categorize your tasks throughout the day. Alternatively, you can opt for broader time frames such as this week, next week, and later to manage weekly priorities. Once your lists are set up, you can begin organizing your tasks. Simply drag your existing Trello cards or tasks into the corresponding list based on when you plan to tackle them. This visual arrangement helps you assess your workload at a glance and allows for more strategic planning. An important part of the system is maintaining it by moving your cards as time progresses. At the beginning or end of each day or week, take a moment to move your tasks to the appropriate list. This could mean shifting completed tasks out of your current time sector to keep track of your progress, or moving upcoming tasks into the morning list to prepare for the next day. With these steps, your Trello board now not only serves as a task manager, but also as a time management tool. Remember, the key is consistency. Regularly updating your list in accordance with your workflow will ensure you make the most out of your time sectors. This method promotes a more disciplined approach to task management and can vastly enhance productivity. Experiment with different time sector categories until you find what fits best with your schedule and workload. The goal is to have a clear and concise overview of what needs to be accomplished during each time period. With practice, the system will not only keep you organized, but also reduce stress and improve efficiency. Happy organizing, and I hope this video helps you streamline your Trello experience.